Welcome back to the Tip of the Week. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Katie. I'm the marketing director for Sky Blue Media, and I've also been a realtor since 2018, licensed in North Carolina. Every week, I'm sharing a quick tip on mindset, strategy, and execution that you can immediately apply to marketing your business, specifically on social media. Question: how can you make more video content in less time as a busy business owner? Whether you like it or not, video is crucial for your online marketing. Crucial like, if you aren't creating video, you're leaving tens of thousands on the table. According to Opt-in Monster, 72% of consumers said they would rather learn about a service by way of video, and 84% said they have been convinced to buy a product or service after watching a brand's video. At some level, you probably know this already, or else you wouldn't be looking for tips on creating video. By far, I have personally found that a regular video series is the most effective way of creating video content for business accounts on social media. This is because of a few things, really. A series builds trust because you show yourself following through on a commitment. It gives people a tangible reason to follow you so they don't miss your series. A series is easier to plan for since you have a predetermined schedule and content plan or theme. And a series reduces video anxiety because your videos have a clear purpose, every one of them. So, how can you create your own series? Here are some suggestions to get your plan going. First, choose a topic with your ideal client in mind that has a lot of information that you could share. It could be as simple as reasons I love living in Washington. You could also interview people according to your topic or theme. You could give regular tips or opinions on things related to your industry or your niche. I actually had a very successful series featuring new construction communities. There are honestly so many topics you can choose from. Number 2, decide whether your series will be pre-recorded or live. Remember, live video performs better on most social media platforms. The exception is Instagram Reels. Reels are outperforming everything, and Reels cannot be live. However, you could take highlights from your live video after the fact and piece them together in a reel for more content and exposure. Number 3, decide when and how often your series episodes will drop. Number 4, brainstorm a list of topics that you can use for different episodes. Number 5, put your topics into a release schedule based on how often you commit to producing the content. Plan at least 3 months at a time, more if you can. If your series involves other participants, line them up on a given date ahead of time. As a side note, I also did a series which involved me talking to the same financial advisor once a month for finance tips. You can copy this or team up with a mortgage lender, home inspector, or anyone who's an ally in your business. Number 6, now this will not work if your series is going to be live, but if you plan to pre-record your content, you can also batch content to save you hours of hustle. This means, for example, if your series is released every Friday, batching means picking one day a month where you record 4 to 5 episodes. Change outfits in between, maybe your hairstyle, maybe your background, and you'll have weeks of video done all at once and ready for your schedule. I am such a huge advocate for making different series because I love using systems to make my life easier. If you'd like help getting started, schedule a free 15-minute call with me. Visit skyblue.media/marketing. Thanks so much for listening to Tip of the Week. To make sure you never miss a tip, please subscribe to the weekly newsletter at skyblue.media/marketing. If you found this episode helpful, please take 1 minute and share it with a friend. Better yet, take a screenshot and share it to your Instagram story and tag us at Sky Blue Media Tours. And finally, if you would like one-on-one help with optimizing your digital marketing for your business, send a direct message with the word marketing to Sky Blue Media Tours on Instagram or Sky Blue Media on Facebook. Can't wait to chat. See you next week.